hlanganyela kuyona sikhulumeke 068 764 9969 068 764 9969 kanti khona uWhatsApp wethu lo ngikushela wona njengamanje bese kuzoba inanda 88.4 FM update bese kuzoba igroup kaAsilungiseni lokho esikwenzayo sikwenzela ukuthi ake sixoxeni sidlule intweni ezibhlungu hey wazalwa ke sazalwa ke inkosi yami abantu bengazange bayimisela ukuthi bazoshada bayosithola ngaphandle nase beshadile bayosicinga ngaphandle satholakala impact kube kanjani kuwena injani leyo nto kuwena.
The following program contains mature subject matter, coarse language and discussions of religious beliefs, ways of life and those of sexually suggestive nature. These may seem offensive to sensitive listeners and parental discretion is strongly advised.
Alright sizweleke bafowethu konke kuhle osukwini namhlanje ngicabanga ukuthi sithe mangabe senza izinto kumgqibelo Saturday sazenza sathokoza nangolesihlanu kunjalo nangolesine kade iqale leliviki thina ke sesizothi nje wrap up namhlanje sithi asilungiseni khona amaphutha enzekalayo khona izinto ezenzakalayo sizothi nje asilungiseni ndabenhle kamiyeza angikubingelele bhuti wami
ngibingelela abalali benanda FM simbonga uMdalozi nomhlaba sipho kusithanda ukuzinikela ubuqodo ungaqolodi sibe phezulu kwamaqhuma
ngathi ukwenye indawo ne mic do not know
kodwa ngiseduze wempela
ngilutho ke la aziswani ngendlela alright ophinde futhi
ngibingelela abalali benanda FM kuyisonto nje simbonga uMdalozi nomhlaba sipho kusithanda ukuzinikela ubuqodo ungaqolodi sime phezulu kwamaqhuma sizenza abantu abazikangcono kepha sineze into akwazi ukuzehlisa ukuzinikela ecubulungeni kulwazi ukuze sithathe ulwazi olujulile sikubuyisele kubantu nje balonjalo namhlanje itopic ithi izingane ezifetshiwe kushadiwe izingane eziphikiwe. How do these people suffer social, psychological and ethereal disorders? The pain is intolerable. Ukuthi nobody has been inside the brain of these kids and understand. Kuba nezinto ezenzeka kule ingane that people cannot describe.
Yeah,
yaziwa ile ingane and uzobona ama response abantu abazalwa nje ukuzalwa ukhulu ube no 30 ungamazi ubaba wakho, that's trauma.
Yeah, nokuthi uzale kwesinsibongo senze nje kuba kade angeni ubaba
sifika ke le drama ke ukushintsha kwibongo. We need to explore all that. Usutshela uanti wakho umakhe sashona emhlabeni ukuthi wena ubaba wakho nakuvene kukhonjisa ubaba no vene kukhonja ubaba ohlakula igceke endaweni.
My God. Yeah, siyacela ukuthi ukhulume nawe okwakho ke nawe sikhona njengoba ngitshelile ukuthi 0687649969 Thabo Sambote awubingelele Mbhemu.
Siyabonga Ndlovukazi sibonge ku the DJ formerly known as Msizi M. Formerly known. Sibonga Msizi King osithathe wasibeka la. Sibonga umdali ke sasicelile sathi mayivumile siyawuphinde sihlangane futhi. Itopic yanamhlanje ke ithinta njengoba seshilo uDimbane psychologically ebuyizothinta even spiritual side isintu siyangena ezintweni enjeni ngoba ukuthola abantu kuthiwa uyokwenza imisebenzi hayi ubuyele esibongweni kanti vele awukho kwakuleso sibongo ubuyela kona yabona nje kuningi kuyobonakala khona
ngiyayithanda into show Thabo ukuthi ukubuyela esibongweni kwasona wrong. Because a parent lied and did not tell the truth about your existence ukuthi ubani. Namhlanje ngesibheke ukuthi kwenzakalani enganeni eyafetshwayo unine eshadile. Ingane yaphingwayo nengane efuhlelekwa esibongweni engesona esayo. Today you are going to know the trauma, the neurological disorders and the psycho-spiritual disorder that happens to such children. And this is a story untold. Yet reality out there confirms what I'm saying. let's open the journey ubone ukuthi kubhlungu kanjani ukuba ingane engasazi isibongo sayo sangempela engamazi ubaba eyaphikwayo okwathiwa iabort, so include even those along the line.
All right, ngiyacela ke mlaleli ukuthi ezisebenabile abakhozi ukuthi kuzokwenzeka kanjani. Ngiyacela ukuthi ube ingxenye eluhlelo. Siyafisa nanokuzwa nangawe sikuzwe from your angle, your side, kwenzekeni kwena. Sifuna nje leyo testimony ezisisazoqhubeka sikhuluma la ohlelweni asilungiseni. And ngiyacela futhi uunderstand masithi asilungiseni sisho njalo sithi khona la konakale khona, so sivumela lesikhathi sokuthi kusengalungiseka kusengaqaleka phansi. Siyangena kwi-Inanda 88.4 FM updates Facebook lo siphinde singene ku-asilungiseni i-group leyo ka-asilungiseni kuwona Facebook, kuzoba uTikTok Inanda FM. Sizovula nje wonke ama-platforms ukuze sikwazi ukuqhubeka sikhulume nawe makhona ofisa ukusho ungasenda ku 068 usenda iVN noma ubhale nje kube into ezoyiqala nje namanje ushare the testimony makunembuzo entweni esishoyo wenza the very same thing, sizokunika ithuba lokuthi sikhulume. Umsakazo lo siyabonga kakhulu koza kwethu kuze sifike kulesi sikhathi besakhona besalekelela ekutheni umsakazo ungathuli qhubeka inhlelo zokuseni khonto nikhulumile kuseni imsizi Ndabele khona into abayikhulumile kuseni Thabo kade be-topic yabo namhlanje. It was indaba ukuthi is it revolving the culture, is it revolving isiko yabo, so bebuza lezo zinto, or is it relevant bebuza lezi zinto enjalo. So inhliziyo yami ngithi ngiyafisa ucomment but I'm driving because ngibanjwa amaphoyisa ukuthi ngazi ukuthi indaba isemuva kakhulu. Ngifuna uphinde kwamema abalaleli ukuthi nalaba noma sikhuluma lapha bayadinga nabo ukuthi baphinde ba contribute to the morning show nawe landelayo futhi. Yazi why ngisho njalo, because indaba yakhumbula uchazwe indaba yesiko umkhuba usiko, so nangesingisi connected to custom nan. So uyabona ukuthi kusasele ake understand leyo nto kuqala ukuthi yini yamaZulu yini yamaXhosa ihlangana bihlukana.
uThabo through a spanner one day sihleli which actually turned my head reeling and looking for answers. Thabo, which culture are we talking about?
Which culture are we talking about?
But black people had their own culture pre-Abrahamic era for 600,000 years. Kwase kuba khona into ethi phecelezi i-cultural syncretization. Kungene izizwe zingene nokwawo zingene nemkhulu. By the time ama-Persians afike Africa and other invaders, bese i-purity culture is compromised. So the truth of the matter, you cannot therefore speak of African evolving culture until uqala ubuyele emuva pre-Abrahamic era ubheke culture yakhona, then kuzoba lula ukuthi create an argument that looks at devolution and evolution. But the topic is very true and I like it.
And that's why I throw a man, just because some of the things that you're going to talk about involve Iona. Let's have a
I'll a quick example. Uwemula sachaza noThabo. But there is another depth ngowemula. Umndeni wongamulisa indodakazi yawo. It's recorded. Kusuza kwaku irresponsibility yenkosi yendawo ukwemulisa amakhosazana.
Okay.
Then kuthe mase syncretize with the Romans. Ama-Romans are introduced the concept of 21st birthday. So yabona ke lento yabo. So manje abantu bavele bangena ngekhanda kulento 21st birthday. Manje sebeqalile ke baxuba 21st birthday nokwemula sekuyimessage.
Nokwemula nje ukuthi amakhosazana nami nje bangina 50 bani. Sayakwemula. Nangaze ngimulisa sengikhuliswa nayikonza ngaze ngimulisa ngaze kwenzeka into ethi sekuyimix masana.
Izinto zakayilungu nje awumulanga.
Yebo.
Kwakumula intombi into kuphela ngoba there was a reason for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your take on this?
No, njengoba ushilo wathi le topic esikuyona vele izosisa khona.
Exactly. Basintroducele kamnandi because there's so much that you need to focus on ngempela bafowethu, because yonke into ngisho sekuganwa kukhulu indaba ukuthi hayi usiko lutho how ngoba phela kuyazi ukuthi 11 cows of yona shebisini manje yilezi kungariveseki yilezi uthene
yona sibambelela kakhulu ke kuleka Shepstein impela.
Why?
Isisu. Yeah, the moment you start to upgrade a Western culture. It could be nothing else but financial crisis, which is, by the way, trauma response. Uthatha into oyinikezo umlungu uyigqoka as part of your identity and emblem. Ngobe eyakini uzuthi uzibize ngesimo.
Akanene nje manje kuloko kubalisa ukuthi sinayo imali. Futhi nakhona lo 11 cows mawusubala utshwani uless than imali esibizwa manje for ukuthi kwakhiwe umndeni nakwakhiwa engathi
ukhuluma into encane wena kuthiwa awugani nje ingoba uma wakha kalotsholwanga kufanele uqale phansi abasekho uyokwenzela uma wakho usiko lika Shepstein.
My God,
cabanga uma wakho is looking for Shepstein.
Yeah.
So kahle wena ancestor yakho uShepstein.
Yeah.
Just let me make a good case study for him.
Yeah.
There is a young gentleman. He happens to have has been very successfully young. So I wanted to take a kuzobekufika boyfriend kaSibani zo introduce. Mefika kubo kankosikazi wakhe cha umuzi nje kona kodwa kunye usisimuhla phela benodada wababili kodwa cha umuzi bese athi okay, let me make an offer. Let me build a beautiful house like in enje nelawu lethu amalawo ethu obodo Rondaville ke lapho ebese ethi okay, on condition that ngeke ngisalotsholiswe ekhaya sengokhipha inkomo kaMane kababa kuphela. Yabo lokho kunye konke lokunye imbeso singakwenzi ngizokhipha nje inkomo kaMane nobaba, then that's done. No money, nothing, ngoba yonke into it should have been attributed to the 7-room house that I'm building for your family. As if family was so thrown off guard baxabana badivideka phakathi. Uma namadodana nosisi omdala they want the house built. Ubaba nobhuti abathu bathi yini umkhwena angenzi ubusiseka kuhlanganise kokubili.
Kwazi kwanzima hayi sisasenkingeni
yabo sikudini Shepstein syndrome. Ngibatshelile ke lo mndeni ngathi please don't allow yourself to be victims of Shepstein syndrome.
And also le yako lolu siko nani uthiwa umuntu anafanele enzele imbeleko njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi kuthi hayi awumulanga wena samncane they try to decision ifaka njengento ifaka leyo nto njengento ekuthiwa ena iyona yenza into zakho ngahambi kahle wena angazi ubani banongenzanga ini nokuhlawula kwakhona uhlawula kanjani umuntu omZulu uhlawula kanjani omXhosa uhlawula kanjani yonke leyo nto is still there isenziwa
I say confusion
mayenziwa kanjani yipi ngempela kuyiyona yona efanele
sithathe bese kuthi ke ilake qhama khona ama scammers ebese thi no but culture changes, that's a scammer. Yena ufuna kwenza izinto ayimaginayo ezofitha emptiness yakhe abanye bese abanye ezofitha izilwane abasebenza ngazo or imimoya abasebenza ezosutha
intenya ke indaba futhi naye ezohamba ivele la.
Yes, because kunjena
ukuthi kukhona imimoya enifidayo mhlawumbe imimoya kini iphila ngegazi uyazi ukuthi kukhona into
not necessarily ukuthi yakithi futhi iphila ngalo.
Exactly. But nginqoba ukuthi kini nihlaba njalo udadewena aphinyele sisu senehlaba ubaba wena manje chitha senehlaba umfowenu wasinda imoto senehlaba lento yokubulala izilwane at the expense of negligence ne ill-discipline
bese kuzoba le uthi nje wanihlaba nje nihlala kuma suburbs ningichazile yazi kuseni nihlala kuma suburbs and now sengazi ukuthi manje abanye abantu they're not allowing ukuthi thina senze into zethu kanti vele wena usuke ekhaya wahlala esilungwini kunemithetho yakhona lapha ekhaya futhi kunemithetho yakhona yesintu.
So you buy a house on Pretorius wenza ama rituals kulendlu wenza zonke izinto ama meeting e pre-respondence kakhona. So when he sold the house it left his blood, his spirit and all his spiritual debris. Wafika wena wanga uklensa wavene wawupenda urenovate wagena kuyona. So there's another problem lapho.
Siyabonga uzakwenza ukuthi nisiqale le topic emnandi kangaka. Let's just wait for izindaba zezwe nangalesikhathi sizoqhubeka sithi asilungise. Kulungile baba makuvume wena umsakazo Inanda 88.4 FM. Today's best radio asilungiseni usuku la namhlanje sikhuluma ngodaba labantwana abaphingiwe. Kusami mina ngisafisa nokuqala nje kwi decision father and mother. Yeah, ngalesikhathi nikwenza nje ngiyazi sazochaza kahle dabele but nje kunalento ukuthi ake singene emqondweni wethu singene emqondweni wakho singene nawo ungene kowakho with the time uyenza lento ungazange wasebenzisa condom or ngiqala nje niyenza nje babili nazo ukuthi kune risk ithini into ngiqale phakathi ne
ukuthi do postmodern women know what is a mother and what is a girl and a woman. Yeah, because many women out there are basking in the glory of their genitalia with no clue about mother consciousness and woman consciousness.
I think lokho kusayijini ngempela ko.
In fact, abantu besifazane kuzobathatha almost 50 years before they come into grips with what womanhood is. Ake siya ke feminine. Ngoba besuka umsisi babe politicize into feminine. You know, even establish adverse movements like of feminism, you know. I want to keep clear of feminine. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-essence of motherhood. Abantu besifazane in ancient Africa, in the Great Lakes and in Central Africa and the Kemet, basheshe ba understand ukuthi yini ukuba umama. Okay, Dlovukazi, umama kathi musubheka is a substance of God. Ake ngikuphinde lokho mlaleli. Umama is a substance of God. Yebo. Ake siyeke ukuzi imprisona ngeinganekwane zo Adam no Eva because inganekwane leyo. Siyakwazi lokho. Inganekwane. But let's focus our attention to the covenant that God Almighty had umdali uqamatha umvelinqala umvelinqange isivumelwane Ramatla abanaso noluntu lwakhe icreation. There is a powerful covenant that God made with uluntu lwakhe, and isivumelwane sakhiwa umdali naye so as to procreate within the Godhood a substance called woman. God is non-substance and a spirit. God, the spirit had to create a substance. That substance then is a woman. Now, kushuthi uma sasebenzisa the African cosmological definition, sizothi therefore umuntu wesifazane isithunywa sika menzi. Yini purpose isithunywa sika menzi is to utilize the male substance for procreation and for progeny purposes. Angisho kezulu. Kusho ukuthi isithunywa sika menzi sizozi sacrifice sona ngokusebenzisa isilisa ukuze sikwazi ukwakha isizalwane. Yeah. Now, uma abantu besimame be captureisha that concept in Dlovukazi, there's something amazing that happened. The first thing that they did was to create the Divine Council of Mothers. Isigungu so mama bangcwele. Kusho ukuthi kwakomama asebene experience ejulile kwi creation endalweni nasekudalweni. Labo mama ke Ndlovukazi today sihleli nje we owe our existence kulabo mama. Yeah. For umhlaba is 4.6 billion old. Yeah. So you can imagine Adam, how old is he? 6,000 years. Now, we are born in Ghana, injani, 6,000 years old. But you move back to African cosmology as Kramugla. So Kramga far. You know.
As Kramug is Kramugu Adam.
As Kramug is Kramga Adam, Cecilia. Amafruit sisitshelwa inyoka inganekwane vele sakuvuma lo. Two, imyth I guess keep him with abantu abamnyama ave bewathanda bamith Jehova wo uNkulunkulu wami society akazi usikhuza kanjani. And ingozi ngiyakubonela ngane manje ezifunda iAfrican history zithatha ama myths zwa mistake for history.
yazi indaba enhle khona into mhlawumbe ngiyakuzwa into eshoyo I'm just adding mhlawumbe uzothi sayichaza lento ube nayo lento enganginayo mina ngicela ukuba i-case study nje yokuthi uyabo iphathi ethi iBhayibheli libhaliwe bese kuthiwa libhala uNkulunkulu. That's what we grew up being told. Kodwa masulibheka kahle masuzwa kahle uyeza ukuthi kuthiwa enakulona kwangekho lutho phezukodwa nani. So the person who's writing it wayekuphi kubona ukuthi kurayithwa kanje. So if leyo nto ungachaza ukuthi iyini lento umuntu mesebhala sechaza iyini leyo nto.
That's man's imagination of creation.
Leyo nto ke ngagxilisiwe ke kuthina ngoba njengamanje nje yonke into si base on le Bible uthi I mean le story sa Adam and Eve.
Umufuna ukufihla iqiniso usebenzisa amanga ofundiswe wona. Njengoba kude ubani waqamba igama umama?
I don't know.
A child. A child. The child was breastfeeding. You know, enjoying the glory and the connection and dopamine ililizele khanda never suppress him. It it became a norm. And the first woman uttered the word mama, basing it on the response of the child who was breastfeeding. Isn't that amazing?
It is.
Yeah. So uzonke izizwe le gama zilithathe Africa lakuthina when a child was breastfeeding that called its mother mama. You know, so it divine
before
kubhalwa. So ukubhalwa vele le gama selipopularize, but it's a response of a child responding to a motherly love. So who gave the word mama? It's the child. Yeah.
No.
But khona izizwe ke nakwake kwasha ke Ndlovukazi, go to lexical science and etymology. Uzothola ukuthi khona sebeclaim ukuthi no igama umama liqhamuka from our nation. It started kwasha kwacima abo basha imyth. Even kwaZulu ikhona imythology. Ngizoyichaza. Imythology yakwaZulu ukuthi saqhamuka emhlangeni. Sabohlanga. But you must ubheka, that's a powerful myth that describes the existence of people. Ayi wrong. Uma kushoniwe kubekwa nemnyango ihlahla. Kodwa makuzela ingane kubekwa ini umhlanga. Yebo kubekwa umhlanga makuzela ingane.
Okay.
So motherhood ke Ndlovukazi, it's very deep. It's not as simple as going to a women's conference and say, remove people that are toxic in your life. Love yourself, go for yoga and massage. You know that. Keep yourself isolated. Choose people that that's not womanhood. I'm not against self-help systems and self-help psychology. Got to every conference, girl, love yourself. Wear your crown. Remove yourself from toxic people. Love yourself. Be proud of yourself. Yes, girl, you have made mistakes. But you are not defined by mistakes. But that does not begin to define motherhood.
She's trying to open a conference that would define. So if you are defining womanhood, yeah, ngoba awekho khona lawa asethi manje sekuvele konakele but ke nako kungakusiza.
Yeah, I want to say women repair.
Women lawa iwona akakhona.
Ama women repair.
Leyo ukuthi ena kukhona lento ukuthi umuntu esifazane uyakhiwa usuka esigabeni esizeni kuya kuphi ayisenzeki leyo.
And mina I'll never go to a biblical conference ongitshela ukuthi sinza lo Adam nokuthi wena sifazane uzandamena to a point ucabanga ukuthi wahlusule ubhambo lendoda kahleni bakhe. Please, black women have some self-respect. Ngiyacela. Bantu besifazana abamnyama have some self-respect. Anihlulwanga embambeni zika Adam. It's a myth. Inganekwane enhle nje moyibheka eyabhalwa umuntu, probably a male. Ngihlale ngisho ke khona lokuza
kulungile ngiretrace yafana kulungile.
Ngihlale ngisho ke because ngithi mina ingozi ngeBhayibheli, it was written by men with dirty issues.
true yazi ukuthi ene mangithi true ngizama ukugcizelela lento ethi indaba enhle kukhona izinto ezisilimazile sangabona ubuqiniso bezinto saphila impilo ewuthusi bese umuntu eyedwa because of lento ukuthi umuntu afika abhale bese kuthiwa nanokuthi ayingishaya into ekuthiwa uNkulunkulu obhale lana uNkulunkulu okhuluma la angali but kuchaze phela ukuthi laphe umoya kaNkulunkulu ngele indaba enhle indaba enhle wambuleleka ukuthi angabe sekuthiwa ngoku kaJohane uJohane abhala ukuthi uthini yena bese kuthiwa uNkulunkulu uthi eBhayibhelini masushumayela wona sitshela ukuthi uJohane
what spirits were living ayikhona ama spirits engaphila kuthina o migrate ayibona labantu abasifela nempala encane so sihlena ama spirits engawona wethu and ayasanganisa siphambanisa and here is the problem we don't have the systems to deal with those spirits
ngicela ukuemphasize la ungabeke sekuqhamuka ke laba sebethi sengigxeka iBhayibheli sicela nje usilalele with an open mind be broad minded
ukule ekhaya
be broad minded
akekho umuntu ogxeka iBhayibheli sithe thina reflection on the biblical structure the Bible was written by men who had dirty issues
and the men who wanted power because when they talk about women
because they realize the power of your motherhood the first thing that the woman did was to study her womb
no unikeza indaba womenhood conferences taking up on that sibuyisela umuntu esifazazi ukuba nokubaleka kwakhe
indaba eyoga girl love yourself don't
angabe umqala
angabe umqala
umqala wenhloko senziwe
the first point of controversy the woman had to study her womb and she understood that her womb is an energy field. Therefore, in this energy field, he had to make a thorough selection of a man who's going to enter her womb. Now, this is what the
ayisho ngezindaba lento ingakho yeqeka bengakuzwisisi kahle ukuthi ene ufanele acheckisise kahle the man ngicela uyisho ngezindaba
ungiphuca ngithi sengizicela ukuyisho ngicela ngisho njalo
yes
umuntu wesimame wafunda watadisha isibumbu sakhe
sure
isibumbu is not a vagina please correction isibumbu is not a vagina it's a womb isibumbu ingana yila kubunjwa khona ini umuntu
sure
so wafunda kabanzi ngewumbu yakhe isibumbu sakhe uthe mase understand wasathi no this is dangerous la mina ngihleli namandla ekufanele ngaso sonke isikhathi akhunjuzwe ingqondo yami ngezinto ezenzeka kusona ngikhumbula ukuthi there might be 1 million people ezophuma kulani kule wumbu lesibumbu lesi
and then selection ile ophathe ngifuna ukuthi
so manje if that is the case I must be careful with who gets into this womb.
Oh, be careful. Isho ngezizulu ndaba enhle.
So in Divine Council of Mothers yokuqala yase yakha the houses of life. Izikole if you use a modern terminology. Ukufundisa abantu abasebancane izingane ngemithetho yema-art mother earth mother earth nokufundisa abafana ukuziphatha nobudoda
umuntu esifazane njalo lo
that is kwaku Divine Council of Mothers indoda uma isifika izongena la esibunjeni ayifike purified
yes
ifike nenhloso ukuziphatha ukuzihlonipha ngoba the sperm never forgets isithatha somntu sisikhohle sibutha wonke udodi wama experiences zakho bese sizodislodge kephi esibunjini somuntu esifazane
hayi bandla le undaba enhle ngiyomphindisa yona nami ngiyoyiphinda futhi kuhle ngoba ngiyiqophile ukuthi isheshe ifike ekutheleni uyazikhethela umuntu ozongena lapha yakubumbeke isperm nako konke kuhlangane kubunjwe umuntu ozophumela abe yinto emphakathini nabafana bayafundisa
Ndlovukazi abantu besifazane balinda ukushelwa bese beyaqoma uqoma kusho ukuthanda it means to choose
nansi indaba ukuqoma akusho ukuthi usuyajola
you are choosing ukuthi le ndangala le iyona engase ngiyisondeze eduze kwami
all right right, ake sithi kancane silindele izindaba zezwe laleli kuba ukuthi njengamanje sizothi mangabe siqhubekela kulona lolu daba usuzwileke noThabo akaSambothi ukhona ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sithi ukithi nje le ndaba kancane El Shaddai Adonai kwazi kwamnandi emsakazweni sisesizongena njalo endabeni yokuthi iimpact ngicela ukuthi ubhale nawe usho kwenzeke kuwena ngathi khona ufuna ukusho Thabo lo 2 minutes
hayi bengithi akayigoqi miyeza ayigoqisise manje bese sibuya ngalena nje sesingena kuyona indaba ngoba ngizoza mina nezinto ezenzekayo ngesintu mhlambe nje ezaziwayo kukhona nje indatshana ama case aziwayo nabantu abawazi yazi nekhona ngangayixoxela manje kule minute omunye umama kushuthi wazala ingane kanti akuyona yala ekhaya now into eyenzakalayo la ekhaya lengane iyahluphe umfana bayakholwa la ekhaya but kunomfana oyedwa lomdala la ekhaya akahluphi uyantshontsha ukwazi abantu ukuthi kusabathe kuyathandazwa kuyafana nje akulungilutho until umama azahambe kushuthi useyoconfessa ufuna umfundisi yomxoxela cha no inkinga lengane ninothandaza ngigcinela nithanda khona lengane ayizalo ubaba la ekhaya
maye
ngayithola mina kumuntu engangithandana naye ngingakashadi kushuthi kwathi sezoshada wahambe yovalelisa ukuthi siyahlukana ke ngeke sisaphinde yobhale kanti sahlala lo abashada nayo itshela ukuthi isakhe ngoba vele sekutholakala emshadweni ingane baqeda ukushada kwatholakala ingane ayihlupha manje ayikwa lento akazi ukuthi uzoyenza njani
ngoba uyabona ukuhlupha ngathi kuyafana nalokuya
uyabona lesasigebengu sakho sigebengu ngisho yabo ukuthi hayi sale isona unengqondo unale mentality kababa ayikho ingane nje la ekhaya zonke ziyafuna ngisho abantu bebuka why lengane yona yodwa yabo so izinto ezenzakalayo ke lezo kuhambeke uthola ukuthi maningi lawo ma case abantu abaningi lento engikhuluma ngaba identify nayo
yes sizobuyela ndabeni indabeni noThabo Sambothi sizobuyela ekulolo daba la nginteresta kakhulu njengoba ngithi I can relate nawe iba ingxenye yokuthi kube khona okukhulumayo kithini ukuze sibe practical and realistic undaba enhle usesidlalele kamnandi siyabuyela ke after izindaba sesingena kulona udaba lolu lwe impact nakho konke ukuthi kusukephi qale kuthina abantu besifazane ngokunga understand awombo salelo imizuzu nje e4 ukuthi libumbane ihora leshumi awungazi ngayisho kamnandi ngayisho yashoko lethi salelo imizuzu emine osimthathu manje ukuthi libumbane ihora leshumi
so into eyenzakalayo ke kulama case nje maningi wena Ndlovukazi ngiyakhuluma nje bakhona aba relate uzothi mayisuka ke ingane mhlawumbe hlamba abazali abasekho ize omunye hayi ukuthi uzohlupha enze njengalo mhlamba uyadakwa omunye uyayidakelwa nje na uthola umsebenzi uyaxoshwa njalo ekuthiwa izinto ayilungi wena ngoba awenzelwanga usiko uthini usedlala ke labantu abathi bayabona kanti no inkinga yakhe vele ama jeans akhe awona wala ekhaya awangayi asukeke mhlawumbe useyihlalela la ehlala khona ekhaya bayakhola bafuna ukwenza izinto zesintu kuthiwa hayi thola indawo yakho uzenze useyasuka umntwana lo usenza amasiko lesibongo vele angasona esakhona ngoba katshelwanga esakhe useyenza ke yena hayi zenzela ukuthi baze bathi zenzela imbeleko hayi ngoba bakwenzelanga imbeleko zenzela imbeleko mabengavumi laba ngoba bayakhola hamba kubaba omdala wakho akithi nale yamndeni awazi akekho wazi ukuthi hayi vele enzelweke leyo mbeleko noma ini enzele ubaba omdala noma ubani ngoba lo yakavumi vele kusona isibongo sakhe ivele izinto ibhede kakhulu yabo so that's the spiritual party salento ukuthi even uzothi uzoyenza wena lento bese kuba khona ke laba ke obathola ukuthi ke bathi sebe woke laba bambe beshisa amabhayibheli uhamba ujisa amabhayibheli nje uthi usu woke ayikho lento kaJesu ayikho ini thina sesi woke usungena kulezi zinto zochemetism siyakubona usufaka ubuhlali bezangoma ngoba uthi woke ayikho into woke yona usuthi wena sengibuyela let's go back to our own usokwenza amasiko vela lesibongo ngesona
my god
kanti ubusafe la kade uyidlalela khona mhlawumbe ubizwa ngesibongo sako umalume sebethini labantu laba abathi bayabona fanele wena ubuyele esibongweni awutshelwanga wena ukuthi lesibongo vele very few abantu abakwazi ukuyibona le nto no awuhlushwa yini wena vele lesibongo kusona esakho noma abanye ke bake bathi landa uma wakhe ezina bese bemtshela kuthiwa tshela ingane iqiniso le ngane wena landa uma wakho ufikela bese bengitshela phambi ngama wakho ukuthi wena uyena walala wena istory sakho sikanje
agolozo mama
yabo
bafowethu benisifazane ngiyacabanga ukuthi niyabona hayi ngoba ngixekwa hayi ngoba kuthiwa kodwa reality and practicality of it so nani ngiyanicela ake sibe involved mhlambe lezi zinto zosisiza ukuthi subonile ukuthi nayi into evimba ingane yami nayi into evimba inqoba la phambili lokutanami so kodwa sigcina sifanele sikhuluma
thola umuntu
yeah ozo confide akuye Jalita alright asiye ngala ezindabeni sama sekhona nawe busezweni unikwa amandla unikezwe konke ndabenhle please asishaye bese singenela kuthaba
ndokwazi bengifuna ukuthi isinqumo umuntu wesifazana asenzayo ngokwamukela umuntu wesilisa ukuthi angene esibunjini sakhe atshale imbewu isinqumo esingenziwa ngedecision yothando. This is going to be very confusing. Isinqumo sokuthi umuntu wesifazane avulele umuntu wesilisa ukungena esibunjini sakhe iwumbo atshale imbewu kuyisinqumo esijule kakhulu kwesinye isikhathi esifanele sibe careful singasiyamisi othandweni ngoba kwesinye isikhathi asi-influence uthando si-influence izidingo si-influence ububha poverty singa-influence i-trauma singa-influence ukulimala komphefumulo nengqondo. Uzokhumbula ukuthi omama baqale wawukushade nendoda ongayithandi kepha ukwazi ukufunda ukuyithanda uphile nayo ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi kube ile ndoda ozokwakha nayo isizukulwana. Now in generation ye post biblical history and post social history ithande ukusebenzisa kakhulu uthando njenge entry point ye procreation, meaning to say isebenzise uthando njengendlela yokuxhumana ukuthi kwakhiwe isizukulwana. Now ake sikhumbule amakhosi aqala emakhosini aqala eNdlovukazi kwake kusuke inkosi ithi ndodana ziyaphuma ke induna zami ziyokufunela intombi yenkosi ewubanibani okuyiyona ezozala izibulo noma inkosana noma indlalifa yale ekhaya. Awuyithandi le ntombazana kepha izofika esigodlweni iza ngepurpose. Now ingqondo yayo sengiqede Ndlovukazi is connected to the womb. So what happens khona into engiyisabe Ndlovukazi umuntu wesifazane menstruator kusuke kune coordination between the brain, the spirit, and the womb. But umuke waqeda menstruation kwenzeka kanjani? There is a disconnection between the brain and your womb. And ngiyayisaba leyo moment. In most cases ke abantu besifazane abangafundiswanga ngepower of menstruation ila benza khona most deadliest mistake ngoba basuke bene desire for umuntu wesilisa ngaleso sikhathi. Azathi umuntu hey, I'm ovulating, I need a man. Now uyabona ukuthi inhloso yakho yokudinga umuntu wesilisa ingozi kanjani. Now bese sengivala generation yamanje ayinabo ubudlelwane eningi noma baye. So that is why ingane zethu isizukulwane siba no menstrual pain, dysmenorrhea, sisafarishe o endometriosis, sibe nama fibroids. Umubheka lawo ma conditions ama engikhulume ngawo enzeka because abukho ubudlelwane phakathi komuntu wesifazane ne feminine power yakhe or the essence of motherhood within her. Umuntu ontombazane umuntu wesifazane kodwa awunabo ubudlelwano between essence ye motherhood yakho nomzimba wakho. Uma kungabikho ubudlelwane phakathi kwe motherhood yakho nomzimba wakho nomphefumulo wakho uzo experience a devastating endometriotic pains, menstrual pain, because umzimba wakho disconnected from your spirit. Unfortunately, ila abantu besifazane, the modern narcissistic women make serious decisions. Inqubo abazenzayo azibi based on the spiritual need. Ziba based from the desire to fulfill social calling and social needs. Ngiyema lapho.
Hey, siyabonga uNdabenhle ke uyinabile lento ke. So siyangena ke manje uDabeni ukuthi ngiyabonga Ndabenhle ukuthi uqale ngokuthi usinikeze lento yonembeza as women, because honestly asikwazi ukukhomba all the time, asikwazi ukuthi okwrong njalo sikufanele siyohlola, asikwazi ukuthi all the time sekufanele kwenzeke into kwenzeke into ephambene ngenxa yokuthi thina asinakanga. Thaba ngikunika ichance.
Ngiyabonga Ndlovukazi. Indaba ilapho useyindlalile uDimbane. Ake ngibuyele kulezi ezenzekalayo ke la kade ngikhuluma eqaleni ngayo lento ethi ayifane nayo lengisazoqhubeka kuyona. Izinto enje sikhuluma ngabantu abaphingiwe. Kodwa kukhona okunye Dimbane ocishe kuye ngakhona kodwa basuke bengaphinganga ngoba usuke bevumelene umuntu wesimame nomuntu wesilisa ekutheni kukhona le transitional period uthola umunye mhlawumbe manje besimame ubethandana nalo kodwa usekwi transitional period uthi sengiyamiyeka lo kodwa sengiya kulo athi hayi angisamthanda uba kodwa akakamtsheli futhi kuloko kuhamba isikhathi kanti futhi usebabhanqile, in other words lo sazi ukuthi uyena usejahe nanokulungisa izinto ke bayajaha ke nokuthi ujaha kuyokhokha ujaha kwenzani ngifuna sishade kwenzeke bahlangane nalomuntu wakhe sihlala isisu lo mdala aphinde amtshele futhi lo abazoshada naye. Angithi ke manje lapho akaphinganga kahle ukuphinga kodwa uyamtshela no sekwenzeke kanje lengane akuyona yakhe kasibani kodwa futhi angisamfuni bese beyavumelana labo ukuthi no kulungile mina ngizothi yami ngizoyamkela naye ingane ngesitelo lento iphakathi kwabo bobabili. Ingane ayitshelwa umndeni awutshelwa kuphakathi kwabo bobabili ihambe lento ukukhula kwengane kuvela inkinga akusaziwa ke manje ukuthi kuzokwenziwa kanjani. Mhlambe omunye wama parent useshonile omabili ama parent ashonile ingane ithi sabathe yenza izinto kuthiwa yenza izinto zesintu ithi yazenza kuvele kube worse kanti indaba ilapha ya ekutheni vele nalesibongo ekuthiwa enza ngawo lamasiko vela kusona esakho ngoba vele kwenzeka kanje kunama secret abawenza laba bobabili uma nobaba ngisho ingane kwayona uqoba yazi so ezinye izinto eziba ingozi lezo kubantu ke abathi izingozi kakhulu kubantu bamasiko ungcono lo muntu othi vele izinto zamasiko akazenzi yabona mawenza lezi zinto zamasiko ngoba ekugcineni livele dino kakhulu idlozi uthi hayi lengane vela kuyona yala iyazi imoya ukuthi lengane kuyona yala so bese kuvela inkinga eziwest okunye engike ngakubona ke mina ngakithi kuke kwenzeka lokho lento ukuthi ingane ifihlele ukuthi yakephi kanti ntombazane ndini izoyiphatha kahle iphathe kahle kufika isikhathi sokuthi iyajola nomfana futhi umfana ayimisele ngokuthi uyayishada nje kuvele kwenzeke nje ukuthi nje hey nomfana kanti umfana owakuboke ngesibongo impela umfana kwenzeka lento engiyishoyo ukuthi ukhulele azi ukuthi walesibongo kanti akuyena uyise lo until umfana lento engisho ukuthi bazali kuba bukhona ukuthi bayiche abazi abazali manje ukuthi lento umzali kamfana akazi ukuthi lento ingane yakhe umfana uzoyithola uyayithanda intombazane intombazane iyamthanda futhi akuyona lenhlobo yamantombazane kade nje ibiphethe kahle kahle kodwa the moment isithanda umfana izothanda umfana wakubo ngesibongo
Jones wayethanda
hey wena kozongichazela blood calling
yeah ukuthi wena ungasuka la uye Mauritius wena ufica umuntu okaSamboti aveneze kuwena xhawula what has happened the
Nyazwana
connection yes there is a connection but it's the blood recognizing DNA recognize any DNA
yakubo
mhlawumbe akasenza ama symptoms wenjovukazi nawe thabo alengane asithatha ingane ephingiwe
yeah
uma wafihla bavamisa ukuba ne-emotional distress imajority abo mebefika kwi-clinical space ake ngichaze thabo
imake etimbali ngoba le ngiyayidinga le oyichazayo kodwa awome ngisongele kodwa ngiyayidinga impela ke iyona edingekalayo ke ngoba uzochaza lento eyenzekalayo ke so
senze sikwazi nokuthi ke
iyona impela siyidingayo le so umuntu oze wayilamula ke kulezi izingane umakhelwane hayi umakhelwane athi no izokonakala lento uyabona lento la izoqhuma khona phela umfana seyokhokha manje uyawa makhelwane hayibo nabantu bezoshada ngempela akakenze ukuthi akhulele omunye abe nengane kodwa uyabona hey uyabona la lento la izovela khona hayi mina ngiyayilahla abiza umfana hey la mfana wena uyafihlelwa kini akuyena ubaba wakho lo sibani ubaba wakho noma wakho bakutshela wena isibongo sakho owakasibani asho isibongo sentombazane so ngithi angikutshele ngoba if ngakutsheli lento izohamba ibanga elide lento iziyonakala ngiyakubona imisele nangalengane othi ufuna ukuyithatha so indaba ila hey ayicishe bayibulala abantu kodwa ke fortunately akwenzekanga ngalokho ilako ngena khona ke ngithi mina lento idinga abantu abazokhonfina mhlambe at least uye kubantu abanjengomyeza ama psychologist thatha ukuthi no khona into esifuna ukuyikhuluma mfana kodwa kukhona inkinga ekhona nizama indlela ukuthi uthathe umuntu kuyiwe office kuyohlala phansi kwisa prepare psychological lento ezosuka la bese ya prepare futhi ngoba manje yabo lo wamtshela kwacishe konakala impela kwacishe kwafa abantu kwakuzoxakala ukuthi hawu bayibulalelani ngoba umfana engathi hey thiwa ubulale intombi yakhe izinto ekuzezwe leyo kwayibulala naye kodwa akwaziwa kodwa futhi manje ukuthi labantu bebexabane nini bekwenzekaleni kanti kuvela into enjengaleyo
mhlambe lapho sabena nezingane
yabo so izinto ezike zenzeke lezo ke ngengozi ke yalento ukuthi abantu mhlambe waphinga omunye waphinga wayethi omunye hayi kulunge mhlambe kwanomfundisi phakathi ezinye izinto zenzeka abafundisi kukiwe kamfundisi hayi ngimbambile unkosikazi wami wenza into kanje bese ethi ke cha phela ngokuthi uJesu uyathethelela fanele uthethelele wena bese lento athi umfundisi noma umkhokhelo wherever bandeni lento ayihlala in between us la ayingaphumeli ngaphandle so thethelela wena ngoba uJesu uyathethelela thethelela unkosikazi ngempela but inkinga ikula enganeni ke manje ngoba manje nithethelenene nina nobabili mhlawumbe kube izinto ezenziwa ngesintu kunama ritual enziwayo manje kuvele wathiwa nje lento ayihlale la ayingaphumeli ngaphandle ayi ingane ingatshelwa umuntu kodwa uthola khona owazi
yazi ibhlungu lento ena okwangampela ngize ngicabanga nalento angazi sikhuluma nini ngaludaba kungakangeni le topic sikhuluma into ethi ena yazi uma ukuthi unenkinga awuqale nje mhlawumbe noma ingane uyinyenyezele because honestly the truth needs to come out uze kuthiwa ingane ena iyanyenyezelwa mangabe kushona umuntu indaba iyenziwa nalama mangabe lokhu ithakazela ngezibongo zayo so that mayisiza ngathi khona kufanele yenzeke ibhlungu lento yokudiscover very late ukuthi ene kahle ena wena uyena walana
yebo sihlale phezulu kwama symptoms
no sizokwenza lokho
nazi izindaba zenanda 88.4 FM sikunika ulwazi neqiniso
angikhumbuza number 0687649969 sisakhona ke lana indaba enhloka Miyeza ebese mayeqeda ukuxoxa udaba uThabo wakaSambothi sizothi ukuthinta la kule yezinto ama symptoms ezibonakala prior right and then bese ke siqhubeka nodaba lethu ngoba siyafisa nokuthola nawe uma ukuthi khona okwakwenzeka kuwe awukushare la ngesixoxo sibone ukuthi mhlambe nawe ke ungasiza akala ngaluphi uhlobo ngoba khona imibuzo obuyibuza yona khona izinto obungazi indaba enhle noThabo they here ukassist ngoba egcineni ngifisa indaba enhle sikwazi ukuyisiza thina esama victim of this right
nokuba anonymous nje khona into oyibonayo uthi yazi lengane ihlupha siyaza kuyona yalapha siyabona kwenzeka ukuthi nanokuthi nokuthi ngoba into eyibonakalayo lezi emphakathini ngabo anonymous
siyacela ke bafowethu let's engage indaba enhle
ndlovukazi uma befika kwi counseling kulula ukudiagnose i-spiritual symptom and a disorder ebangwa ukuthi lengane ine turbulence ngaphakathi when we talk about turbulence usho ukuthi ayinako ukuthula now bonke abantwana bake bafike nebethi ababazoba bababo and ikhona isecret ekhona ekhaya athi anti bayasaba ukukhuluma even nogogo athi musu kuyihlupha ngalento asazi ngoba siyakonja lekhaya sikwenzela yonke into ihlupha ngalento this is the sadism enzwa o-auntie nogogo ukuhlukumeza ingane bakhala nge-feeling of emptiness hopelessness and disconnection from ubuyena umuntu ungabi nalo ithemba ufila empty ngaphakathi isymptom yokuqala kuba emotional distress ukuhlala ngaso sonke isikhathi befila sad befila empty babe nolaka babe ne-anxiety and balahlekelwe ithemba ake ngicinde isymptom yokuqala yale ingane ezifike zize kunina for counseling i-feeling of sadness i-emptiness i-anger i-anxiety ne-hopelessness okwesibili lo
ukuthi idalwa yini into nje anger
i-anger i-sadness i-emptiness i-anxiety ne-hopelessness
sure
okwesibili loss of interest now angabe ba interested with tennis angabe saba interested in going out with friends zonke izinto akade enjoy kasazenza usethi I prefer to be in my own flat ngihlale ngedwa and kungisave no petrol she finds an excuse for this bese kuba khona a very telling point yabona ke lendlovukazi nawe Thiphuzi ngicela lingene lijule ngoba ilento akwayisho ngolunye usuku sikhuluma nge-loss of the sense of self ukhumbula kahle zikhala ngento eyodwa zonke Thabo ngeke ingane eziwu-20 zisho into eyodwa zithi you begin to question udoubt uNkulunkulu ukuthi yini uNkulunkulu yena akubeka esimweni esibuhlungu kangaka sokuthi ukhulunga amazwi baba wakho And once your question yamba umgodi yathola indawo ngaphakathi emoyeni wakho not emphefumulweni emoyeni wakho uyaqala uzi isolate ufile disconnected kubona bonke abantu bese udevelopa hatred or dislike for your mother for lying to you ngani na usuqalile ukubona ukuthi kwawena you are living a lie ngoba uyajola unenye boyfriend onentombi but futhi uthola nomngane weboyfriend yakho ya eating each other. What causes that disorder is because in neurological framework yakho imizwa yakho is distorted. Asikubeke ngelanguage yakho na ke thabo in neurological framework yakho is distorted. Siyesizulwini imizwa yakho icollapsile. Ikhona uqoma hayi ukuthi awunasimilo. Ndlovukazi hayi ukuthi awunasimilo kodwa uqoma umngane oyakho. How do you come? You are eating each other, njalo.
Because
nyadayinana. Nyasinikana sense igama correct. So ilento iqali be aggressive. Bese uba nento ekuthiwa phecelezi is pseudobulbar effect. Pseudo njengoba sicela ulibheke pseudobulbar effect.
Magama.
Kube khona pseudo PSEU. Uvene ufikelwe inyembezi nje ungazi ukuthi kwenzekeni. Ufikelwe ukukhala. Kungazi ukuthi ukukhala kuqhamukapi.
Yeah.
Now, uma seqala lokukhala kwenzeka once twice a month, then you struggle to find meaning and purpose empilweni. Okungahola ekutheni ube ne-suicide ideation, ucabanga ukuyibulala. Kodwa busuthi how can I murder myself ngudokotela ngiyilawyer ngibe ngafunda kanje nabo. Ngaleso sikhathi i-resentment if you're a girl against your mother is going to the alarming. Usunyanya ugogo wakho umakama wakho. Usuqala nokunyanya even abantu abasondelene nabo because ubuka a community of people who are out to destroy you. Ungabamba amakhozi kama wakho. Now iqaleke guilt ne shame.
And lapho mawulothi angazi kwenze njani. Yazi uvele nje. Kuvele nje. And usuhleli ke mama manje awusazi.
Na ingane ezinye not all omunye uba rebellious. Mhlambe bebevele bexabana nomama umama uhlala emkhuze ezintweni ezathi. Awu. Nawe ngcwele kanti.
Kanti uma akakhuzi ukuyiphatha kwengane ukhuza ukungcola kwakhe enganeni
uyayibona ya repeater le
uyayibona ya repeater le nto yabo leyo nto ibisikhozani i-feelings of guilt and shame yabo. Now here comes the problem wethabo le oyifunayo angithi lento siyenzeke enganeni for 5 years ibisiyaqala ke ingane ibe nani physical symptoms cluster headaches, stomach problems, fatigue, water retention. Sitting quantum tap. Water retention. Yini amanzi angabe saphuma manje izinso they're struggling because fala filter iqiniso but iqiniso is dislodged ngaphakathi causing the kidneys to swell. Now again abuye lo thoughts suicide ideation ofuna ukuyibulala yabo aqala ngabe sadla azace kodwa ithothi emsebenzini uperforma kahle in the midst of all the trauma eventually promotion emsebenzini imconfuse lento uthi awu kusho anginalo ibhadi yabo kodwa manje nayi le problem ule boyfriend disconnected kuyona disconnected kuyona and nalo mngane boyfriend obuye ukuthi afake ukuthi use holiday kanti beze la eflatini lakhe bazoithana umfana makumfana lo ongamazi babakhe ngempela ubusy with a married woman yabo na akasibheka ukuthi yini makumfana abe busy with a married woman. Magumfana Thabo, the reason why he's falling in love with a married woman is because she's seeking that lost mother connection. she's seeking that lost mother connection. Ashelo antabadala, ashelo mama no 60. She's looking for comfort, for reassurance and validation. Ufuna ukuthandwa by somebody azongena emathangeni yena at the same time I'm offering ini uthando lukamama. Those are the spiritual disorders that happens ukulingana iphingiwe.
Khona iphuthe enqalenzile for some second way ukukhuluma ngowesifazane kanti khuluma ngowesifazane.
No, he.
You said she.
He and she. I prefer khala ngowesifazane ngasethi abantu bazocala this applies only to women. No. It applies to boys. Angisho ngibona umfana manje uthi wenzani. Umfana manje useshela uanti bakhe ulala nabo because the nervous system is searching for connection. He's mistaking connection with passion. Love was not freely given to him, so he never system yakhe is wrecked up umfana wami madoda. Ujola nomama oneminyaka u55. Yena uno 28 and usangene and uyamfihla lo mama kubangani bakhe hayi ngokuthi yini because uprotecta lo mama from being known ngoba if abantu sebemazi izophela irelationship hayi ukuthi uashamed ukuthi asekuchaze lo
akanankinga inkinga ukuthi uzophela relationship uzozathi beyangishaja naye lo mama uzongafuna
yeah uthi lo mama mhlambe she's an experienced woman ozibonayo lezi zinto ingane vele ayifudumeze ngale ndlela ayibize ngoba ba ingane vele idakwa idakwe ingcenge ngalendlela engcenge ngalendlela le yangcenge ile ngcenge angayitholanga kuma wakhe yabo that is the tragedy and the trauma enzeka kule ingane eziphingiwe uma bazi ukhona ubaba ekhaya ubaba wale ekhaya but why is he disconnected to this father? It's not his dad. There's a tragedy ke lapho Ndlovukazi lo baba akeve mthando mfana
zama ngayo
yonke indlela athi babumyaza lo mfana ngimfundisile wacelwa yimina ehlele ekhaya ukuthi akasale senza le masters ngahamba mntakamyeza ngayo kwenza loan emsebenzini bamnikeza kwaphasa futhi ngo-distinction base bethi akangayikhokhi ngoba uthola u-distinction uyabo uma interested angazojoin inkampani wasethile cha akathanda ukusebenza la ngisebenza khona anginankinga nalokho kodwa manje lokungi-avoida lokungibalekela uyabona nje khona manje ukhulelisile siyayithanda le ngane yakhe ayikhulelisile but intombazane yakhala awu ithini intombazane ithi baba mina ngisazi ukusebenza njani akakhulume singahlala weekend yonke agona ingane yakhe abese hamba eyoma kwifoya ukuthi ngimbona useyakhala
nale ntathu nalama anger issues angawazi
pseudo-bulbar effect uyakhala the boy is grieving ubaba wakhe wangempela but akazi yena
unolaka nje lo muntu olingaziyo ukuthi yini lona
intombazane ithi baba sengikhathele 5 years abami ingane yami is now 5 years
kwenzeka lento
the only time ngathi mina phela sondela senza ucansi but akanginiki romance affection there is a reason the boy is disconnected to himself yabo singakhohlwa lokho the boy Thabo is disconnected to himself now lento bese iyakhula ke Thabo ibe isilonda manje isinama physical symptoms la umuye kameleni lakhe Thabo check this out kunama vitamin from vitamin A to vitamin K yini angifihlele ne fatigue uyakhathala udrainwa ile pain ngaphakathi yena na usafike ku stage 7 what is stage 7 Thabo absekho ubudlelwane phakathi komphefumulo nomoya kuyena ingozi ezokwenzeka lapho ke Ndlovukazi sekungase kungene imimoya
yes
yeah ebese ithola esethi manje khona omnye umama uthi ayikho into wrong ngami kufanele ngiyokwenza igobongo
hayi sekungena imoya ngempela
sekungena imoya ke manje akadingi igobongo udinga iqiniso ngoba igobongo isakhona reveal the truth
lizokwenza umsebenzi walo beverify
lizovela umsebenzi walo nje igobongo kufanele wenze but ngeke lize liveze iqiniso ukuthi lo baba hleli naye akuyena ubaba wakhe uphingiwe
yazi ukuthi ene umlaleli ngidlela ethula ngayo
tragedy kwenzeka itragedy kuhlatshwe lekhaya inkomo indili zokubonga iThanksgiving kuhlaba lo baba lo oxhoshiwe yabo kugcwala abantu kufike isidakwa sefamily sisoba sihlinza silungisa yonke into siyiphathe kahle ngosuku lomsebenzi kwenzeke inkinga sidakwa yabo ebese sidisciplinwa uma kalo baba athi sisungangilokothi ngangiqadi ungangiqadi uvele kuphuthuma omunye ayesidakweni asibambe ini umlomo aphume naso ebese sinikeza utshwala khona sodakwa kakhulu sidakwa sefamily ngoba uyabona ukuthi siyapi
kuyonakala manje
ngoba uyalazi iqiniso sithi kulungile ngangiyikhuluma lento ngangiyikhuluma sibuye siphuze
sibuye siqala pha
aqhamuke lo mfana lo aja mntakasisi hey kodwa ke sothini ku right ufuna ukukhuluma yabo now yini lo dakiwa ufuna ukukhuluma mesoba kukhona ama symptoms thabo akawabone kulengane yabo ayamudla ngaphakathi he knows the truth now lo wazi ngisho la babelala khona uma walekhaya nalo
ashu
so uhleli ne guilt yokuthi ubabona ekhaya evemthanda uvele amkhokhele u4000 ngokwakhe ihoko nje meklini imoto 100 rand manje njalo ufika lekhaya ezosebenza enza zonke lezi zinto but he's troubled ngaphakathi ngolisuku athi ngingaba isilima kodwa angisona isilima abantu ngendlela abacabanga ukuthi ngisona
asefuna ukuyiveza ke
usefuna ukuyiveza
my god
uma eke waphenika there is 90% likelihood ukuthi uzofuna inkabi zenze njani zi-analyze lesidako sithanda babona ekhaya ashone lo baba. Now this is what happens ke message on Ndlovukazi i-life yale ngane ephingiwe eventually go for the worst abe involved with car accident kodwa ngalimali bamsuspend emsebenzini for negligence eminor ngalendlela minor
akuyona into bangasuspendela
yona akithi bafuna ukucheck emsebenzini ukuthi akukho yini okunye okupresida le behavior futhi bam-assure ukuthi no we will pay you for the trauma ehlala ekhaya but ensure ukuthi there's nothing that we can trace but bring in the forensic eventually this boy is so perfect he has saved you 24 million interfere correct on the first 3 week and getting a promotion so what happened there then somebody from the wellness department let know he's going to staff nangizoke ngikhulume la ukuthi akayikubaba umyeza private ngoba akayivumeli emsebenzini but I can tell you right now he's going through something that's bad so what do? No akabuye then simnikeze i-allowance ka-2 ukuthi abe hamba ubaba umyeza yabo I'll physically drive him to ubaba umyeza's office bring him back to work yabo afike kubaba umyeza vele athatha i-DSM yakhe nangampela vele ama-symptoms wonke lawo thamba sikhulume ngabo describe the car accident nayo ke car accident yabo bamyaza ngithi yakwazi i-freeway ibusu yenanda ngicela ukubuza le ndawo bamyaza ingake imoto ezake zashayisa the past 10 years ngithi nonani asho mina ngokwenziwa yini akasidlule kwesibili ngize ngizoshaya udonge
kwenzeka izinto ezibhaza
yini the truth is bubbling up it wants to come up yabo but it's dislodged ngaleso sikhathi uma wakhe akasadli usezacile umfelokazi bese kusuku anti oy scammer walekhaya kodwa osondayo avenathi ngicela ukubona usiyakubaba umyeza ngizwe ukuthi usamba umyeza athi yathi okay ngicela izinamba yakhe phone adayela bamyazi lesikhathi simetha short siyazana nawe then noma phule kwi conference lo ubaba wakhe angithi manje baba wecancel lo idume kakhulu udodo umuntu yabo lo aba involved kuma assassins ubaba wakhe ke lo hayi ngaleso sikhathi ke Duma nobaba wakhe sasiphela ukudla utshwala abonje sonke singenandaba lapho aku disaster uvekile manje ngicela ukwenza aware mhlawumbe wena try and ask for yena ukuthi akakenza uDNA just for yeah kodwa angawuceli kuma wakhe yabo akayocela kule cancel. Now this is what I normally do tap. Now abona engiyengikwenza lapho sengi overstepper ama boundaries ekhaya.
Yes.
Ngiyengicele icancel. Ngithi mhlonishwa cela ukubona. Ngosuku elifikile bese ngithi mfana akafiki. Bese ngithi ngicela yena ukwenza uDNA. Angifuni ukuchaza izinto eziningi. Guess what bebenze njani bathi into emeza ngiyabonga manje ngazi benzodila kanjani. Light emfana wami ngiyaza ungazi but wakuba khona umdlalo partner mawakhe. So yakalensethe sika Macintosh then ke ngibona izokhululeka. Ibuyi DNA phela manje kusafanele ize kunina. Yabo sekufanele auntie lo ongithumile zimshayo cancel. Simkhahlele ucancel. Only then Dlovukazi will that child begin to have spiritual restoration and spiritual resettlement.
Zolunga izinto.
Zolunga.
Okay, sakona silungiseni 0687649969 bafowethu ningathuli ngathi lento ayenzeki. Ake niqhamukeni sithole isisombululo sonke ngoba yabo nje khona baye bakholelwa ukuthi mayishiwo la emsakazweni hayo ndaba enhle bayazenzela izinto right into enje. Konke nje ngoba engakaze abe exposed kuyona so ikhona ke bafowethu nawe iba ufakazi ku 068764996669 bese na Facebook ngokunjalo wenza into efanayo umsakazo inanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Sibethu sile emcinga ithamsanqa umsakazo inanda 88.4 FM today's best radio asilungiseni seku 13 minutes past 11 o'clock sesikhulume ke ngokuningi ke bafowethu sayibeka nodaba lolu lokuthi iimpact enganeni or kubantwana abazalwe bephingiwe kubuhlungu kwakusho leyo nto kube ngazi uthi inhlamba kodwa today ngiyacela nani nje bafowethu abangabazali ngoba into yokuphinga ngiyona umuntu esifazane kuphela
nethi sithi nephuwenzo umuntu wesilisa
yes
ngiyahlaba ngiyahlikisa
ngicela uqale ngiqedelele ukuthi ngiyanicela when you comment message ngoba sisiya ekutheni sizwa ama comments and also size nezixazululo ake ningiphendule nje nale ndaba ukuthi kubuhlungu ukukhuluma iqiniso wonke way ekuthuleke ngakhona noma abantu abathula ngakhona kube ngathi ayenzeki ngisho eqaleni okwesibili mhlambe namhlanje ithuba lokuthi gonyuluke nje ubuhlungu ngani ukutshela umntwana iqiniso noma ukumnikeza information correct ukuze wena uzikhulule naye akhululeke impilo iqhubeke ngiyafisa
kulo watshelwa
nokuzwa
how did you feel
exactly nokuthi yini ledala udinelwe lo ikhulumile indaba ngoba phela uyakulekelela nje
ungakwazi bafuna nokubashaya
ngithi yabo so can we fix that asilungiseni lokho namhlanje please yes let's wrap up indaba
quick one before sizwe ama VN abalaleli ukuthi siyibuke kanje lento kufana noma mhlawumbe umuntu osifazana again kuzokhotha uthabo owangivusa through the death of ama blood covenants ukhipha isisu abortion. Okay. The question is, we hlabelana imbuzi for cleansing.
Imbuzi hlatshwa kanjani?
Angitsho spilling blood. And it's common knowledge in the Christian world and Judaism. No, ungakhohlwa amaJuda ehlaba inkukhu now because bayihambisa ekhanda kanjalo. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi why do you spill blood when you have actually spilled blood?
Okay.
Awuboni ngani ukuthi usungena ku blood covenant and that might be very dangerous for you. Now it means ingane ezohlala kule womb le ene clot and inflamed womb uzozala ingane eyihlonga njebe ne inflammation, spiritual inflammation, emotional inflammation, ingane engacontroleki because the womb was not cleansed. Uyazi Dlovukazi, it took me 3 years steadily. Ikhona yini into eyayenziwa endulo uma umuntu esifazane ephuphunyelwe isisu
Wakuthola okay there is a way cela
but it was not blood
let's sibhale again then once aqeda then those are the solutions that you need to how to cleanse the womb ne sisho njalo
either miscarriage or abortion
miscarriage and abortion okay egazi iyazwakala Thabo is there anything that you say before
ngicabanga ukuthi Ndlovukazi umlaleli njengamanje uzolalela nje ngiyabezwa bayikhuluma lento and njengoba beyisho but ngizoyenza kanjani
ngicela ukuthi
isolution iyayo ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba sinayo ke psychologist la izosilekelela kakhulu le ukuthi how do you approach ngimtshela kanjani umntwana or ubaba wengane or ubani lento siyenza kanjani ngoba ngiyabezwa bayi and yonke into abayishayo ngempela solution
okay sizokwenza ke lokho sizozama ngempela ngokusemandleni nawe wena olalele asikuvaleli ngaphandle ukuthi nawe makhona into eyishoyo kodwa akusigadeke leyo ukuthi asiphikisana siqophisana nawe ulwazi lakho nawe iqiniso lakho kodwa egcini konke does that work na sizo interagithana nje kuloko ukuthi ngempela does it work inaphinde ihlupheni ingane kufana naleyo ukuthi ene kushoniwe okay no angayifaki izosuke confused but there's something eyakenzeka sanibonani emsakazweni Nanda FM basakazi bami mina ngicela ukubuza ukuthi lana umfowethu ngilamayo uganwe intokazi yomZulu thina singabesuthu manje ngesikhathi yolobola ekhweni kungani besishintshiswa indlela esiqhubha ngayo thina indlela esenza ngayo uma siyolobola kungani senziswa isiZulu saze sakhishelwa umuntu omZulu ukuthi asikhombise ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani phela ithina esilobolayo thina sesiyavinjelwa manje ukwenza okwethu ngiyabonga ngizolala emsakazweni sizomsusulena ngisisigname Penut eMjondolo ngokuhlala kodwa ekhaya kuse Eastern Cape Mount Fletcher
that's very complicated
I relate in a topic
okwamanje sicela ukubamba kancane bandla ke sizama ukusheshisa laba mhlambe sizophendula nje in general before we close ngicela singakhohlwa nawe sizomsuthu ngicela ungakhohlwa ukusikhumbuza because safuna laba kuqala abakhuluma ngalo hlelo sikhuluma ngale topic esikhuluma ngayo sanibonani kuNanda FM ngithokozwe ukuzwa izwi lamabhule ngizwa konke inkinga ngifike ngangifuna udaba seliphakathi sengivele ngisemuva bengicela uThabo angizamele inamba kaManduli lapho abasinganga ngiyabonga babuntshangase ngiyabonga nami ukuthi ngibone okanye ngifunde i-comment yakho kuyisibusiso kimi asilungisene ukuthula studio ngisafisa ukwazi isibongo somuntu ngabe sichaza noma sincike ulibofuzo lwakhe yini noma sincike kwimimoya ngikubuza lokho ngoba khona abantu abasuka enhla neAfrika bafike bathatha izibongo zakuleli zesizulu kodwa yonke into yabo ibukeka ihamba kahle kungenzeka yini ukuthi okwenzeka kumuntu okuthinta imimoya kungokuzikhethela ngiyabonga babudlamini udlamini
fela khumbule I've seen this done by Nigerians in Benin. Beza la vele sebazi ukuthi there is a danger ukuthi they need to assume in locals. So back home kwenziwa ritual. This is what Nigerians do. They'll never tell you this. Yazi abenzani? Uma sefika la angithi yabantu kubululu ukupenetrate iSouth African economy. Ode yonke. So into azoyenza ngeke samsebenzisa igama lakho ode. Uzoba odiyanke somebody. He is retaining his surname. Ukuzanga binayo spiritual misguidance and navigation and just combining it with your name. So la identity is still intact, so you're not suffering any spiritual disorders.
Okay, ndabethe mina ngicela ungichazele in this context yokuthi before engekho into ewusename.
Sasingekho vele.
So can you respond to me in that context ukuthi does it have really any effect whatsoever ukuthi njengoba ubaba wami uKholas kuba ukuthi mina ngumapule ka Kholase ka Mazungu now ngineme after igama like igama lam ingane ka bani
uka is very important
so yini lento esingabuyeli lapho bese siqhubeka futhi nale Shepstein syndrome ukuthi angazubani washintsha indaba zayibongo ukuthi manje kufanele sibizwe ukuthi umapule have a surname ungabe umapule ka.
But the surnames were created for population control. And
so will that be hard now sekunezinto ukuthi ingane ikhalela isibongo khaleleke isibongo umntwana
lento esibongo ayikho bafethu ke sibe honest man ayikho lento esibongo.
Okay now if ingekho ngakhona ngicela si-add ukuthi
ibongo is a generational trauma uNdlovukazi.
Yeah so
kuna trauma ibongo eningi.
Okay ngifuna angazi ngizama ukuthi ungiphendule ngicela ngizwe kahle ngizama ukuthi ungiphendule ukuthi uma usibusisiwe mapule isibongo ake sithi isibongo sakhe ngithi uzalwa yimi so uthatha igama lami usibusisiwe mapule I trauma or into idalwa ama spirits mina engasebenzisayo ukuthi ngalibizwe ngami
that transmitted to her.
Okay so that is how Ngithi mase simphendula lo simphendula ukuthi yebo ibongo mase simphendula ngalento ukuthi isibongo suka
ibongo they can access you to very dangerous spirits of the family of those that lived before you.
Okay
yes injengoba ichaza uDlamini yes injalo this is why ubuthola abanye abantu aphume esibongweni sakubo aqambe esakhe ukubalekela imoya yakulesa sibongo mhlambe kulesa sibongo bekunamakho mhlambe wathwala into esimpulu wathwala sokuneyivumelwane lo uthatha lento amseko now uthatha lento useyazenzela la ekhaya idulala nabantu besimame uyayilalela ngoba manje la bese kuba khona ohamba ayibuke lento no ukuze ngimbalekele uthatha lento angangilandeli angiphume bese ngithi mase ngiqale wami umuzi ngiuqambe ngelami igama
uzalwa udadewenu kumfowenu enilamana naye. So into enzakalayo ke lapho nje ubuthabe echaza mase ukhula uphume ufune izinto zomhlaba utshani umfula amatshe amagama ezinyoni uphume kulela hlazo lokuthi wena uzalwe udadewenu nobaba nomfowabo bese uyinikeza esinye isibongo. Yes angithi siyachaza nje yes
awulekelele la
iMandlovukazi uphume Ndlovukazi angithi uzalwa umfowenu nodadewabo na wena bese ufuna ihlahla amahlathi imifula namatshe ukhetha ukuthi siphi isibongo uzoyiqamba ngayo.
Sushisa isolution
angithi suyaphuma phela ehlazweni lasekhaya ngoba linomkhokho omubi bese wena uba undaba enhle wakatsheni.
Okay
undaba enhle embokodo.
Okay no uza ne solution undaba enhle kule ukuthi uyithatha kanjani sisazozake
ukuthi sikhona nje ngale zakho ukuthi into engekho lesona.
Yes I'm adding to izinto ezithi siyanciphisa kuloko besisazonikeza khona kuyi solution so usuzwileke and ngicela mhlambe fanele ithu kuphinde uqhubeke le yokuyikhipha emoyeni nakuma covenants abantu ongawazi. Let me ngizwe la ukuthi thini umfowethu
uganele khona asibingelele kuleli khaya sibingelela abasakazi badideni bohlelo abalaleli beNanda FM kuzo zonke indawo labe khona ngiyabingelela. Hayi siyasiza isihloko sanamhlanje sijule kakhulu futhi sinohlonzo siyafundisa. Hayi kunjalo impela indaba yesibongo sengane ibaluleke kakhulu uma nje umzali wengane umuntu wesifazane uzele ingane. The worst thing you can do for ingane yakho ukuyiphambanisa nesibongo sakubo kwayo uma uganile ushadile nje wacaca wachelwa ngenyongo bese uyaphuma uyoganga ngaphandle ebese leyo ngane ibiza isibongo sala uganele khona ngeke izilungelo yilutho leyo ngane iphenduka lento enichazayo nje lapho futhi ikhona nje leyo ngane noma ngasibiza isibongo sala wayizalela khona uyitshela iqiniso kahle kahle isuke isenkingeni njengoba wachelwa ngenyongo wena mzali wayo wena nina ngesikhathi ugana lapho ogane khona lokho kusechaza ukuthi wena yonke into yakho vele isingeyakhona so nje sekuyiphutha elikhulu ukuphuma komuntu ochelwe ngenyongo yakomunye umuzi aphinda ahambe ayozala ingane yakomunye umuzi kwesinye isibongo angiphathi ke le yomuntu osuke ezele nje vele ezalile ekhaya engaganile indawo kodwa bese phambanisa ingane nesibongo engakaze achelwe ngenyongo yandawo ngenxa nje ukuthi ubona kunomcebo lapha yakulo wamuzi ongcono kunalo walala ingane izalwa khona bese ithatha ingane ayoyibiza ngesibongo salapha ayiphambanise nesibongo sayo leyo ngane nje isuke idinga ukuthi ibize isibongo sakhe lo unina ngoba vele ingane umlandwana yakonina lubi ngoba izalelwe ekhaya isidingo sokuthi phanjaniswe nesibongo iyobizwa ngesibongo sakwenye indawo suke singekho so sekubudedeni nje bomuntu wesifazane inkinga ke lento ke inkinga kakhulu kodwa ke usuke ube nenhlanhla uma ezobuya benonembeza kumzali wakho akutshela iqiniso ukuthi wena uzalwa kwabani kuye kukusizeke lokho especially mawukuthi ke vele wawuzalelwe ekhaya ngoba usangakwazi ukuthi uyilungise inkinga ubuyele esibongweni nje sakho sakomalume uhlala ulinde khona ukuthi ke mhlambe laba basesibongweni sakho sangampela uma usutholeni nabo bangakwazi ukuza bezokuhlawula ke ebese uphuma ke komalume usesibongweni sakho sangampela ayikodwa isuke ifasile inkinga ke uma kuukuthi umama wakho wayevele eganile ecacile wachelwa nangenyongo wasephuma eyokuthola ngaphandle ngisho ngakutshela iqiniso ukuthi uzalwa kwabani awusuke usenkingeni sokusenkingeni nje ekungelulu ukuthi ingaxazululeka ake ngibonge kithuba bese ngihlela ngezansi ngingaze ngilule kakhulu
Siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu awululanga ukwayichaza ngandlela oyichaza ngayo siyabonga usinikeza lokho but ke ngiyafisa ukuthi masibuye ngale indabeni ke siphinde sithintele ukuthi ubeke kakhulu kwiside lo mama ukuthi kanti uyababa ke ngoba ubaba usuka la endlini khona la esechele khona umuntu ngenyongo khona umuntu okufanele ngamala khona inganzala le meseyishiya ngaphandle ke yena engasayilandi izongena ke kulesi sibongo ke sokuthi wonke umuntu wala uchele ngenyongo kwenze kanjani so ngizocela ukuthi siphinde sikhulume ngaloko kungabi one sided ngiyafuna ukuzwa nasemadodeni ngoba kuzobe ngazi manje sithi abesifazane kuphela benza lolu hlelo kanti nabesilise ibona abayimbangela ukuthi kuze kube khona ingane because they carrying the seeds
engena angagula ngilezi zinto ezinjengalezi
right siye ngala siphumuzo umlomo siyabuya yes the best radio la kukhona othi sanibona nonke ngothando nokuzithoba to the hosts and listeners of Inanda FM. Thank you. Amen. Babu Miyenza ngeqiniso lamaqiniso about uyini umuntu wesifazane and God's purpose for creating a woman, mother for God to create himself as woman to manifest his purpose using men energy on Mother Earth. Dr. Babu Miyenza, uyakusaluta. Unfortunately, we've lost our soul's purpose and focused on money being popular and zisesithakathane to gain power ephelayo kanti a God-given power is eternal and does not need to be renewed yearly for 3 years or 5 years yokwenziwa akashayi no 10 a.m. I can't wait to express my gratitude baba Miyeza ngokukhulu ukuzithoba nenhlonipho yimini PL Madlamini Madlams kwafana kwanzi wafana noMadlamini. Okay, ngicheka njalo la before we go to lemibuzo kade sibuzene ngayo ngizwe la ubani lo Tamati.
Ngiyanibingelela studio abalaleli abasakazi kanjalo nethimba lonke likhona abaphathi bestage ngenhlelo ke ihlabahlosileke niyalazi udaba nani uTamato idika ngamatongomane eTexini zedatazela amatekisi ematikwe ongaphuthelwa loluhlelo maliswele umphuthile ngoba esike ngekho eduze kulesi sihloko senu enisiphethe namhlanje sinzima sijulile futhi sinzima ngempela. Lepha niyalazi udaba kwesinye isikhathi uNkulunkulu uneyinhlelo zakhe uyakuhlela yonke into asuke eyihlelile okunye kuza kabi okunye kuza kahle kodwa futhi konke kunesizathu. Ngizokubeka nje njengalokho umfowethu kuyenzeka ukuthi kunezingane eziqhamuka kanje kodwa uthothi igcineni zinosizo ziyazi ukuthi zilethelwe uNkulunkulu yazi ukuthi uyilethele zizokwenzani. Ngasho nje ukuthi unenhlelo zakhe kahle kahle yabo neqiniso phela iqiniso nje limile ziyatholakala ngalendlela ezitholakala ngayo khona izinkathazo ezihluphayo khona eziright futhi uthothi kunemizi namhlanje yakhiwe eright ukuthi into ebalekile iqiniso ya into nje nami engayisho nje leyo ngiyabonga kakhulu ngixolisa ngokwelula. Thank you.
I'm not sure whether God Almighty in his magnificence can allow ingane ukuthi izalwe ephingweni bakwethu. I disagree. Ngishilo Ndlovukazi ngathi imajority lezingane they do well in life. Despite trauma yabo, you know that. I think overlookile lokho yabo yena usezothi the 20 purpose kukangani sinawo sibona ama testimony mina Ndlovukazi where we come from
I'm living
ethi mina ngazi ukuthi babami ubani sina silapha eZansi.
I'm also living testimony but not necessarily ukuphingwa nje with the absent father nje.
But that does not negate ubuhlungu that these kids suffer.
I think uTamati kukhona la Tamati afinyelela khona lezi zama ukuyilungisa asilungiseni ukuthi la ku asilungiseni sifuna ireality njobe injalo siyazi ukuthi into behind isukithini but asikhulumeni lento inje singayimboza ukuthi ayisebe khona kufana ukuthi hayi phela sekwenzekile yabo silungiseni sikhulume ngomyombo everybody understand ukuthi sithini mangabe sikhuluma
ingozi esoyenza Ndlovukazi sothi siqale sisuka sibe simotivate ukuthi no akurong ukuthi uzalwe ephingweni yabo akurong kurongo ngoba suke kuyithini esifuna ukuthiwa lento okufezekisa inkanuko yethu then bese kusafara umntwana ozophuma lapho so let us all be careful. Cha
abantu esibathinta ngqongqonqo lento bahleli nje bayithulela baququbele khona umunye ngiyabona la ku Facebook ukuthi ngaze ngayisaba le topic kushuthi nje iyashaya umuntu
akho yedwa umuntu esifazane ozofona ngicela ubheja kuba
ake sibheje ngempela ngicela nike disappoint asisappointed
ngane ethi mina ngatshelwa
yes
mina nami ngakwabanje bakhona abantu abanjalo nami ngatsho I find that and how did I feel when I found out I found out.
All right khona la ku Facebook othi uke ubone nawe kwehluka either looks is pure body structure etc ukuthi engathi angifani nabala therefore you start questioning yourself before everyone else. Ugcineni ukuhlumezeka lezi ngane zenziwe ngalendlela ngoba ezinye they inherit izifo othola ukuthi lazikhuliswa khona azaziwa wakuzilapha abakwazi. Indaba ke sekuthenini izingane zona ke zisala zibe senkingeni bafowethu asilungiseni angezi ke le enzeka la wethabo khona olesazama kuyilungisa kodwa ke manje isingenza kanje. Okay, I want to read the comment nje la ku asilungiseni angazi ngangifundela ini la esenze khona ama video there are comments akhona lapha yana cela ukubheka leqala eposter uthi ngibheka live ngikuthola uJabu number usukhona ku live
so akangeni ngaleso
bengangeni okay lama 3 comments ngizama ukuthi angangenzeli umsindo la kodwa ngikwazi ukwafunda naka Ayanda Ndaba, this is going to be a very thought provoking topic molweni ngaze ngasabu uye lo kanti ulalele Jabu sebexoxa bonke kushuthi ngicela ke senilalelileke ke sikhulume ke nibafowethu ni comment ngeninga commenta ngako it's very important for us to discuss lento sizwe novulweni angazi ke ngizofunda kanjani le ngoba ingenzela umsindo engicathi nawe uyawuzwa mlaleli
iwede
ngizama ukuthi live ngizama ukuthi ngifunde le comment I can't read it angazi ngizoyenza kanjani but ke mhlambe okwamanje since nasisabheka
Ayanda
angazi ukuthi abantu kodwa kule gcina nje
ngoba khona ka Ayanda ethi umzimba womuntu unzulu futhi ubanzi physiologically spiritually physically and psychologically. We are not just a bag of flesh and bones, but we are a unique creation.
Oh yes, yeah, I think you're not because bengakaze ngiyibona. All right, ngicela ke ndaba enhle singene la siqale mhlambe ngale ugcina ukuze ngayikhohle ucomment ngayo wasesa sithi sobuyela kahle kuyona le ngithi ngicela ke sekukhulumiwe ngomuntu wesifazane owenze wrong siyavuma kahle kahle nje nami ngisho ngithi kona mase ngiyisola ngithi yazi mina kodwa uhamba lapha ya wavula azikahle ngoba phela bese ngimdala ngikhuluma ngami ngazi khuluma ngomntana ngomuntu ongazi ngazi kahle awumeke wangena nje la ngingajovi ngingavaleli ilokho singafaki kuthiwa ningahlelile umndeni ngizokhulela yayibona la so ithini le umuntu wesilisa ke manje yena ke seshingane lapha ya
ngihlale ngikwatshela madoda ngithi relationships and sex have karma and the sexual karma it will take a wise man to understand ngendlela engizoyichaza ngayo ushadile unonkosikazi a powerful self-sufficient woman who is God loving not God fearing
sure
abenalingeka febe causing you to lose your mind kodwa ungamdivorce instead kube wena who's fighting to retain her asihlale phansi sik investigate yona body ubalo wakwalala naye wenza ucansi ingane encane walala naye mhlambe why molest asiqale lapho did you ever molest a young child sexually kwangaziyo kwafika
okay
did you sleep with a married woman at some stage successfully even posted about it kwake kwenzeka yini ukuthi wena wamethisa unkosikazi womuntu kodwa somewhere the child is not even known now awazi ukuthi unengane out there are you not lustful towards your sister-in-law utata wankosikazi akwazi uzulale nesebenze endlini nomulale nonkosikazi utata wankosikazi right have you ever not cheated relentless ukuzwa now these are sexual karmas so lo sisi I would have a smell but she has been brought to you to teach you the pain that you have taught
oh my goodness
other people
okay
yeah
so that is how umuntu exoleleka first parents duma ngabe umuntu evela axole nje
Jabgas ngilale nonkosikazi womuntu kwaze kwaphela sayeka akekho waziyo sihlukene
lekho
akwazi ukubhoka
yeah unkosikazi womuntu mina ngake ngamolest ingane encane and this child did not report to the elders and that is, I'm busy creating sexual karma ngithi kuqiqi ngisafesa sengidihoni usisi webo abena febe unkosikazi wami kube yimina owenze PR job ukufihla lento uyabo and sibheke ukuthi asinga divorce kodwa ngicela iyeke lento that is karmic obligation meaning to say ngizofundiswa ipain engiyikhozele lengane engayimolestayo ngizofundiswa ngepain ngiexperience nami because ngesikhathi ngidiscover nkosazana ukuthi uphingile I lose my mind.
Okay.
Yabo.
So does it talk to ephingile ngekona ukuphinga kuphela but includes ukuthi khona ingane?
Yes, konke lokho ngithi I'm being taught a hard lesson.
Yeah. So kusho ukuthi akwazi wena umuntu wesilisa ukuyisolo because these are the results of what you did.
Angithi uqale ufe qala. Yeah, uya collapse, your nervous system collapses everything about you. Uvuke with a mind lost. Bese ubheka ukuthi ningahlukana. Yebo.
Okay.
Because there's a danger. Uma uhlukana nomkakho, you are still recreating another karma that might be severe than the karma okuphingelwa nkosikazi wakho because wena you did not learn the hard way.
Okay. Are you answering me kule question ethi yena umuntu wesilisa?
Bengisakunikeza ama snippet.
Yes.
Because do you see that men tend to die early in relationships and marriage?
Yeah, most.
No, because amadoda afaqala, that's a common statistics city 90% men die earlier than their wives.
Okay,
asidluleke la.
Baningi abafikazi.
Yes, baningi kakhulu Ndlovukazi.
Yeah.
Sifa nje asibulawa necessarily izifo, sibulawa ama conditions and things that we have done for ourselves and to ourselves. Yabo.
Yeah.
Uhleli yabona kwakho. Wamithisa ingane yalapha elotsholwayo lapha ngaphesheya yakini wayikhulelisa yalotsholwa ilotsholwa nesisu sakho
and uqhubisile uthi ayingaveza le ndaba.
No, inayithi nje ke kungilokothe wena ngeke ngicela ungangoneli futhi into yami. Then this thing starts eating you up. Unkosikazi wakho is innocent and pretty. Then they say ushawa heart disease. Why is the heart collapsing on you? The heart is heavy with lento ibona every day when waking up and sleep.
Okay. Kusho ukuthi most of izifo zabantu esilisa zisuka lapho singakusho lokho.
Yeah.
All right. Sanibona ne studio yo inzima le ndaba at the age of 48 angimazi utata wami ne relationship phakathi kwami nomama ayikho iku 0%. Ngoku sele nithathe i-decision yokuba ndishiye ikhaya akukho mnandi kubhlungu. Is it the best decision? What's stopping him or what? I think him lo uyikhuluma le ndaba sefuna ukushika.
I suspect uyazimolalele the pain in the story. I suspect usike wayenza i-effort but his efforts have not been realized. Kubukhuni ukukhula uyingane ungazi uba ubaba wakho wangempela.
Saphila, and I think if you can get there,
yeah,
kuzoba easy to respond.
If fana qala thola uma, where is my mother? Will she tell me the truth? But unfortunately, oma balikhuluma iqiniso.
Iloko sizocela ke namhlanje sizocela kona silungisa kona bafowethu.
Elinye alikhulumeki nje ukubuka umqondo walomuntu ofuna ukwazi iqiniso uthi ukubuza ngeanger yini nani mangimtshela uzokwenzani. Enye into ukutshela ingane ukuthi ubaba wakho umkhulu wakho wamolesta ubaba wakhe wamolesta umalume wakhe mangimtshela lento uyambona ukuthi lo muntu uhlanya
uzofuna ukubulala umkhulu manje
uzofuna ukubulala umalume
nenze njani ke kulesi simo ndabeni.
It's delicate. Now lot ifuna abantu abadala outside the family akwazi ukuyilungisela nini kubukhulu ukuthi uma wakho unengane ewena wamithiswa umkhulu wakho
kwayisekhaya futhi ke nami ngithe ngibatshela bangakho
and ugogo uyena wenza iPR ungakhohlwa ugogo knew about this kwawuyena wenza iPR job. Hi Azania, I'm here, my daughter-in-law.
Kwazi kwanzima ndabenhle sinesikhathi esincane angifisa ukuthi siphume la singazange usinike usicobelele how to cleanse the womb after miscarriage or keep her
isisu and abortion. Ndlovukazi kuqale kwakusetshenziswa ukudla ikhona izinto esinazo and then sinale habit ithabo yokuqamba mangasithi these things are not migrated. Ngisanda kufunda incwadi ithabo engithuse kabi. Uthi kanti umbila is an African crop. It's not a Caribbean thing or a European thing as we are told. Umbila wale Africa. Kodwa wahamba ngo1660 BC. Wahamba nabantu iCrop bayithathe eAfrica.
bahamba bayoshintsha
bawubiodigrify in other words bawuclone with other plants.
Yes, bawuclone bengifuna leyo nto
bawuclone ne-rice angazi bawuclone nanani
ama grains nje awala
yeah omunye umnyama omunye umhlophe omunye uyellow kanti umbila omhlophe into la originally from Africa.
Okay, yeah. Why ukhuluma umbila sisabuzo cleanse wona?
Ngizama ukuthi kune plant irosemary impumeleli nompheshwa, these are cleansing plants. uThabo lo mina ngifuna ukumchallenge ukuthi okay Thabo aka identify insimini yakhe izihlanze, meaning to say impande zakhe ezihlanzayo, lezo mpande ezihlanzayo izona azokwakha ngayo iBAM, BALM, okuyona BAM ke umuntu osimame azoyisebenzisa.
Okay, ihambisana nokukhuluma
ufala aphalaza ngayo kodwa izodlula khona esingeni to dislodge the instability esingeni. Yeah, akeze nangayo. Then nina ke endulo nanezinto enhle kaMdlovukazi, wena ngesikhathi menstruator ugogo omdala athatha igazi lakho le-mens ahlanganise nelongo kufudunyezwe kuze kube iqebele ingwanye elishisiwe, then ubusuyaleqa ke. Yeah, bese kuthiwa khuluma uthi kuzotshelwa ibona ugogo.
Kwenzani lokho? Angithi
nje uleqa nje uphakamisa isidwaba kanje uleqa intuthu ingena kwena, so uclean iwomb. Your own menstrual blood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Othi ngizwe lo singaphela isikhathi nje mhlawumbe akazukudonsa yini kakhulu.
Ngiphinde ngibingelele studio. Ngixolisa ukubuya game njengomshaneli. Ngixolise futhi ukuthi ngizwakale ngathi ngibeka abesifazane kuphela kulolu daba engathi abesilisa bona bamsula. Cha, akunjalo impela. Qinisile Ndlovukazi nabo abesilisa basuke beguilty. Uma nje umuntu wesilisa usuka uya kumuntu oshadile, wazi kahle ukuthi lo muntu oshadile unkosikazi womuntu uchelwe ngenyongo, uyolala nalowo muntu uzumzalisa kahle kahle, usuke nje uyinkunzi yeshimane isinyemfu sesoka lamanyala. Usuke nje uqalekisiwe uma umuntu okwazi ukwenza into enjengaleyo. Ngithi anguveze lokho ukuze nawo amadoda ayishaya ifuba ngokuthi wona amasoka uma kulobo busoka bawo ekwazi ukwenza nezinto ezinjengalezi ukuthi angabi namkhawulo ebusokeni bawo, asoke aza agcine eselala nanabantu abamakhosikazi, abantu abaganile, abashadile, abachelwe ngenyongo. Funa wazi nje uma uyindoda wenza leyo nto ukuthi usuke uyisishimane sesinyemfu senuku nje sesoka lamanyala. Ngixoliseke uma lenkulumo izozwakala kabi, mhlambe izwakale njengenkulumo enenhlabathi mhlambe ehlambalazayo, kodwa ayikho enye indlela mhlambe ebengayibeka ngayo injengoba injena nje. Ngithathelele ithuba ke bese ngihlela ngizansi uKingsifiso lokwaDukuza ethethe phansi sidikidikina. Ngibonge
Ndlovukazi, ngicela ukuchaza igama ukushima, isishimane. Leli gama Ndlovukazi angikaze ngilithole kwiZulu etymology, but ngizolichaza kanjena. Umuntu ongenabo, ongazihloniphi, ovubo toxic, ongakwazi ukuziphatha ngendlela kwamukeleka emphakathini, bese kuthiwa ushimile. But abantu ba reduce to being rejected by a woman.
All right.
Bengifuna ukungena kwasekuqaleni kuskills engakabuye kwesibili. Kodwa ngoba sebuyele yawa message ngoba uyibeka lento ezizulwini. Unkosikazi ochelwe ngenyongo, engazi ukuthi ungachelwanga ngenyongo yena akashadanga. Akena unkosikazi womuntu. Unkosikazi womuntu, unkosikazi womuntu. Uchelwe ngenyongo akachelwanga ngenyongo. Unkosikazi womuntu. Manje mayiloke specific eloke ochelwe ngenyongo uchaza ukuthi ungachelwanga ngenyongo akayena unkosikazi womuntu. Number 2, amaZulu nje analento aya booster ngokuthi alale nomkamuntu noma nentombi yomuntu noma nengoduso yomuntu azabe nesisho lethi oyishayila akakayosi oseyosile akakayidlo idlile udlicana yabo ba booster ngale yonto ukuthi no usene right yokuthi ungangena lapha ngoba okay uselobolile kodwa akakashadi iyona ke lento yenza uthola umuntu uthi eyoshada useshada nesisu somunye umuntu because abamhloniphi ngoba avela akakamloboli
madoda angahloniphi
yes so manje moloke uthi wena ochelwe ngenyongo uchaza ukuthi ingodusa ngangena kuyona noma amanyala nje ukwenza yonke nje lento ngangezwe ngale indoda abanye becula khanjiswe yokhokho ibizo or whatever izinto ehanjiswayo bethi iyalobola inandi iyadla indoda khona icule njalo ababelicula uyabona ukuthi kushuthi bayatshela lokuthi nina nyalobola nje lo muntu ngala unomuntu wakhe
abantu babeliveza ihlazo ngamaculo bawaqamba
yabo
esigcaweni
so amadoda abooster yini awayazi lento kade ekhuluma ngayo Dimbani ukuthi kunekari mungayenza lento namhlanje 20 years to come you're gonna pay
asivaliseni umfowethu lo ade ekhuluma una 48 years uthi usaphila umama xa but akandixelele inyaniso ndizamela amaxesha amaninzi ukuthetha naye xa nithetha naye uthi ndikhohlakela kandifuni kunye nabantwana bami so ndiye ndingazi into yokuba ukukhohlakala ungenapi apha yes
ingakho ngiyiphendulile ngathi kuyenzeka kuba mhlambe indaba isendlini
alright xazivalise bafowethu
0766333954 angiphinde mlaleli wenanda ngithi wena 0766333954
yes Thabaka Sambochi 076
yeah alright siyavalelisa siyabonga ukuhlala kanye nawe kulolu suku lwanamhlanje la sithi khona asilungiseni ngempela ke le sizozama ngamandla ukuthi siyenze ne follow up yakhona silekelele siqhubeke lapha ya esikolweni Ndabenhle ngiyabonga sezindlovukazi sivusele ye council of mothers sikwenze ekufanele sikwenze ngoba kuyashoda manje ingane sachazelwa nangayo yonke into ekufanele ngabe ukuthomba nani akusenziwa kodwa sekwenziwa imicimbi than uqala sikhulume goodbye hope to see you uba nawe ngelanga elilandelayo uma ngengoma kakha emthetho featuring Oasis Worship ongiholayo.